Hey everyone, welcome back with another session of geography. I hope you all are doing well. So we'll continue the same chapter, that is Earth in solar system. Alright, so in the last session we have already discussed about the universe, the galaxies, the Big Bang theory, the stars, and of course the different constellations that we have. So we have discussed about all these things. So today we'll start the proceedings with the solar system. So let's see. Now, the Latin word sol, it means sun, and system, it refers to its family. So, in other words, guys, if we see, the solar system is the family of the sun. And what does it consist of? Now, it consists of course, sun, the head member, along with it, like the 8 planets, satellites, asteroids, meteors, and different comets. Okay, so together all of this, it like becomes the family, and it's considered as the solar system. Together, all of them. Okay, so we'll study about them in detail one by one. So first up we have, that is the sun. So let's see about sun. Now the sun lies at the center of the solar system, right at the center, as you can see the picture. Now it's the largest member of the solar system. Among all the members of the solar system, it's the largest one. Now guys, the gravitational pull of the sun, it holds the other members of the solar system in particular places. And the temperature of the surface of the sun is around like 6,000 degrees Celsius. Just imagine how much heat it is. Like while at the center of the sun, it changes, it's about 1,50 lakh degrees Celsius. It's like out of our imagination, you can call it. Okay. So being made up of extremely hot gases, the sun, it's the source of heat and light for all the planets. Now, however, guys, so due to the distance of Earth from the sun, and that's around 150 million kilometers, so we do not feel the tremendous heat of the sun. Alright. And along with that, if you see the light from the sun, it takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth's surface. Okay, that's the thing. Now, next up we have, that is the different planets. So let's see them. Now the planet. So the word planet is derived from a Greek word planetus, and its meaning is wanderer. Okay. Now if we see, guys, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Now on the basis of their distance from the sun, they are as follows: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So all these are the different planets that we have. Now previously Pluto was considered as a planet, but now it's like considered as a dwarf planet. So it's out of the system. Okay. Now while we're talking about the planets, now let's see about the inner planets and outer planets. So what's the difference between them? Now the planets close to the sun, these are called inner planets. Now they include Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So all these 4 planets, they are considered as inner planets. Okay. Now they are made up of rocks. They are closest to the sun and are smaller and mostly solid and made up of rocks. Because of all these, they are also termed as terrestrial planets. Okay, and the rest 4, if we see, that is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, like these are farther away from the sun, these are farthest from the sun, and they are relatively larger, and these are formed of gases. And because of this, they are called gas giants. Okay, now guys, in between Mars and Jupiter, okay, so there lies this asteroid belt. Okay, so this asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter, and these asteroid belts separates the inner planets from the outer planets. Okay, that's the thing. Now next up, now all these planets, they do not have their own heat and light. Okay, they do not have their own heat and light. But as they receive their main source of heat and light is the sun, so they reflect the light of the sun. And along with them, they revolve around the sun in their fixed elongated paths. And these paths are called orbits. So all these planets, they have their fixed path. It's not that sometimes they collide with other planet and all they goes into their paths. No. All the planets, 8 planets that we have, each of them have got their own path. And that path is termed as orbit. Okay. Now, while revolving, guys, all these planets, they also rotate on their own axis. Okay, they keeps on rotating on their own axis. So, rotating and revolving, it goes on together. So, every planet of the solar system takes its respective time to rotate and revolve around the sun. Okay, that's the thing. Now, you see, though all these planets are spherical in shape, however, they have distinctive features. So, what are the features? Let's see. Now, if we see Mercury, it's considered as the smallest and the closest planet to the Sun. Venus, it's the brightest and the hottest planet. Our Earth, it's considered as the blue planet. Mars, it's known as the red planet. Okay, Jupiter, that's the biggest planet in the solar system. And Saturn, we all know, it's the planet with the largest number of rings around it. Whereas, like Uranus, it's considered as an ice giant, big ice giant. And the last one, Neptune, it's the farthest planet from the Sun. Previously, it was Pluto. So as Pluto has been considered, Pluto is considered as a dwarf planet, so it's now Neptune, that's the farthest planet from the Sun. So these are the unique features of all the planets that we have. Okay, so that's all for today. So until the next time with other topics, bye bye.